So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome in this brand new video. So this video is going to be very special and a very important video for all of my subscribers, for all of my viewers, because guys, today in this video I'm going to give everyone a small notice. Okay, I will not say one kind of advice because it is a notice, a very small notice which I want to share to all of you by this short video, and that is the difference between a goal and dreams. We think that goals, dreams, purpose, our success, our wishes, they're all kind of a one thing, but we are wrong. If you all just always think that, then you are doing a very big mistake and it's the wrong thing. Okay, so today I'm gonna share with you the differences between the goals and also dreams. Okay, first of all, just clear your brain that the dreams and goals, they are different and they are very different. But if you were taking them normally and simply, then they also can affect very badly to you and to your life. So this video is very important and a must watch video for all of the people who want to do something in their life brighter, good, and also very beautiful. So first of all, understand that what are dreams. Okay, I am not talking about all of those dreams that comes and we also see at the time of sleeping, and we also just go in a deep sleep, then many dreams also comes, but they are not the thing that I'm talking about. I'm talking about all of those dreams that every people we see whenever we also don't sleep. Like some wishes are there, they are called the dreams. Like my dream is to have a very big house. My dream is to drive a very expensive car, a very expensive bike. My dream is to go to New York, United Kingdom, Spain, and also this type of things we also have as a wishes, they are called dream, and I am talking about those dreams. And also on the another hand, what are the goals? Goals are our purpose. Okay, the success whenever we will achieve all of our goals, at that time, all of those days, that moment is one kind of a success for us. Okay, like think that your goal is very good marks, very good results in your exam. So that marks, that results is your goal, and at the examination when you will have them, then it means that all of the hard works, all of the studies that you did for to achieve that goal, today you achieved it, and that is your success. And I think that for me, that is my success. So for that reason, we also think that our goals, our dreams, they are simple. Okay, having a car, and my dream is having a car. My goal is having a car. There are very differences in it, but we don't think, and we also don't know all of the differences, and we say a lot of times. But remember, your words, your all of your sentences, they are very meaningful. We think that all of the things that we say, all of the things that we also do in our life, at our daily life, they are very simple, they are very small, but no, all of our words, all of our feeling, it just goes to the universe, and how we say to the universe also respond us. Okay, if you also say, okay, now I think that I can't do this work because it is really hard, you are saying that this work is hard, but you also didn't even try this. It means that you are surrendering and you are saying to the universe that universe, this work is very hard and it's not for me. I'm also not in the level to try it, to do it, to success in it. So always try to careful with your word. Just say that yes, this work, I don't know about the work, but I will try. And on my trial basis, on my experience, I will say that yes, it is hard or not, it is easy. Okay, everyone has different point of views. So this is the I am just saying it because sometimes you also say that my dream is to become a very big job creator. My goal is to become a very big job creator, but this is wrong thing. Okay, just try to understand the differences, and the differences is that whenever you just convert your dreams into goals, then you make plans, and with the help of those plans, with the help of those ways, you also get success in your life. So remember it, that our goals, they are one kind of, and our dreams means our dreams is one kind of. Okay, whenever you will convert those dreams into goals, then you can only success in your life. If you think that okay, my dream is to have a very big palace, your dream is having a palace, but your goal is not having a palace. Okay, my dream is to drive a expensive car. My dream is driving an expensive car, but my goal is not driving an expensive car or buying an expensive car. So until you not make your dreams your goals, until then you also can't just get that. Okay, if you are thinking that okay, my dreams is to become the topper of my class, my dream is to become a topper, but if your dream is to become a topper means good results, good marks, if your dream is it, then don't think that your dream is so that's why I will also achieve my dreams. You can't achieve your dreams. If you really want to become topper in your class, then you have to make that dream your goal. Okay, until we will not convert our dream into goal, until then we also can't achieve them, we can success. So this thing is a little bit puzzling, but I am trying my best for to understand you. You have to give your feelings, you have to understand it by your feelings, otherwise you will not understand. So dreams and goals, they're different, they're very different. So only you have to do, if you want to achieve your dreams, then first of all you have to make it your goal. And after making it your goal, then you also have to make plans for it. Okay, your dream is a very big palace. So for to get and also having that palace, you have to make plans how we will just have that palace, how we will buy that, and also for to buy the palace you need money, how you will earn money, what is your way. So all of things, when you will just think about a lot of things, then it means that your palace, the palace is your goal, and that palace is your goal. So what is your way means how you will earn the money for to buy the palace. You have to think about it. So just I wanted to share with all of you that if you want to really success in your life, then you have to convert your dreams into your goals. Okay, just convert your dreams into your goals. My dream is to become the greatest speaker. Okay, I want to become a very big motivational speaker, and if I want to be a great motivational speaker, and this is one of my dream, so until I will not make my dream my goal, then until then I also can't achieve it, I also can't beat. So for to become a motivational speaker, I have to complete lot of stages, I have to plan, I need a plan that how I will become, how I will go to at that place of being the world best and also the greatest. So my dream, when you will start working on your dream or to achieve it, then it means that you are successful, you successfully convert your dream into goal. So it was the thing that I want to share. So it was the video. If you learn and also if you understand, then guys please like and also please subscribe this channel, share some thoughts and also what you think about the thing that I just shared with you. Bye bye, I'll meet you in another next video. Thank you for watching. To a great man, nothing is little.